Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to earn 500 per day with Get Paid Fast website. The first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to revealing the multiple ways of earning from this website so you don't have to rely on one source of income, okay? So make sure to watch all the way through or else you won't be able to get results. So the first thing I want to show you right here, as you can see, there are people from all over the world. This is a worldwide earning. As you can see here from Brazil, 165 4 minutes ago, $0.9 7 minutes ago. So it is worldwide earning. All you have to do is go to this website called TimeBucks. Sign up directly with Facebook, or you can sign up by email and type your password, then click sign up now. Once you sign up, you will see this dashboard. Click earn. Now I'm going to show you the highest paying and quickest task. Actually, this is the first website that has literally paid people to do this. So the first tab, you are going to click on TikTok. Okay, so click here. Now if you don't know what TikTok is, this is an app came out a couple of years ago, but just is going viral now. Like a lot of people are utilizing TikTok, but they will pay you to post on TikTok. You don't have to show your face, and they actually going to tell you what to post, so you don't even have to think. All you have to do is read the instruction and post. There is people earning 10 up to $50 per day from just this one income source on this site with TikTok. Now what you are going to do is go to page setup right here. You will earn one bonus when you set up a page and get your first post verified. If you don't have an account in TikTok, go and make one. The second step, edit your bio and put these 4 numbers anywhere in there. As you can see here, put the 4 numbers here in your TikTok page. Then type your username here and click submit. So once you post a video in your TikTok page, you will earn money. So this is the highest paying in this website. So you can earn money and by refer to your friends. So you will get paid commission for everyone you refer to TimeBucks. We pay 15% commission in anyone you refer. That means if you are referral earns $10, you will earn 1.5 commission. You will also earn 50% of each roll bonus your referral wins. So if they roll and win $10, you will also win $5. You will earn 10% commission on any advertising funds that gets deposited by any user. So if they deposit 100, you will get $10 commission. All you have to do is copy this link and invite friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, or Twitter. If you have a YouTube channel, go to your YouTube channel and make a review in TimeBucks website. Then put your referral link in the description. Then start earning money. There are other methods like here offer walls. You can complete all offer here and start earning money. Also, you can use this tab to get cashback an item you want to purchase from AliExpress. Also, you can do a surveys. As you can see here, there are multiple surveys. If you do this survey, you will earn $750. So all you have to do is just click start here and earn money. Also, you can earn money by watching videos. As you can see here, there are multiple videos. By clicking watch here, you can start earning money. Here also, when you click to content, you will see this page, and you can earn money by click view here and view the content for 60 seconds. You will get paid for $0.004. Also here there are multiple of them. You can do them all and start making money. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe eCash channel. See you in the next video.